What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a little while. Sorry about that, guys. Since I'm a contractor, I had to get some jobs done. We about got them cleared up for the season, so we're going back to our slow part so we can get back started on the second gen tow build. We got a lot of parts that came in, and we got quite a few that haven't with all the shipping chaos that's going on. Pretty sure a lot of y'all are feeling it also. If any of y'all follow any of the Cummins forums on Facebook, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the issue that I was having with my second gen, the boost leak. I end up buying the power driven diesel boost leak checker. Man, that is a good product to have. If you don't have one, I suggest, hey, everybody needs to check their boost at some point just to make sure you don't have any leaks, because it could be something small, it could be something like mine, major. We end up tracing it down, and I look, put new gaskets on it, and end up finding out that it was the elbow that was cracked. So we end up getting that done, got the elbow for it, and another guy on Facebook, I'm trying to think of his name, ended up sending me another elbow, so I appreciate that, buddy. I did use yours, but we do have a new one also in the box. Who knows, might need it. I don't know if maybe I pinched this flange when I was tightening it down and cracked it, but you can see it did have a fine crack around the flange where the gasket rubber seal goes. Anyway, I'm glad to be back, guys. I can't wait to get some content sent out. I have had a lot of messages saying, hey, we want to actually see the work. It's coming, I promise y'all. I finally figured out how to do my editing. My daughter had to show me. So I will be doing some more videos. We have to do the AFC Live. We got the AirDog 4G to put on. What else? Oh, I know what it is. I want to show y'all real fast. This is going to be kind of aggravating. I know I've watched a few videos, but I dread it. We got to do a heater core in this truck, which I was scared to do it because I did put a dash skin on it, but we got to pull this back to get to the heater core. Well, I was scared because if you see this dash it's had it. If you see it, it's just had it. But we end up finding another dash out of a 98,000 mile truck that was garage kept all its life. The truck was ended up totaled. It is a gray dash, so it will match the seats perfect or look good, and I'm gonna get the door panels also with the carpet, none of them to match the vinyl seats. But yeah, that's what we got, and you can see here some of the leak that's coming in from the heater core. That's awful. Yeah, so I gotta get that fixed, guys. So that is coming up. We will do a video on it also, and I will drop it. So yeah, glad to be back, guys. Like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell. I want to grow this thing, and I will talk to y'all soon.